So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what does key influencers do in Power BI. So the key influencer visual helps us to understand the factor, the driver metric that you are interested in. It analyzes your data, ranks the factor that matters, and displays them as key influencer. This visual not only displays data but also cleverly analyzes it and search for its interrelation. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail dataset. It has entry for each transaction. Let's see, we want to find out which category influence our sales. So for that, go back to dashboard pane. In the visualization pane, we have one visual known as key influencer. Double click on this. It will get added into your report. Now we have two important fields over here. One is analyze and the second one is explain by. So in analyze, I will put sales, and in explain by, I will put category. So the key influencer visual has made something for us. Let's see what it is. So first of all, there are two tabs. First one is key influencer and second one is top segments. We'll stick to key influencer first. Now the first statement that it has is what influence sales to increase or decrease. So over here we have two options. Let's see increase first. So the categories like technology and furniture, they influence sales to increase. When categories technology, the average of sales increased by 356.9, and when categories furniture, the average of sales is increased by 265 units. On the right hand side, we have one bar showing sales is more likely to be increased when category is technology. And on the bottom, we have one checkbox which states that only show values that are influencers. So over here, only technology and furniture influence sales to increase. So if I check this, the office supplies will go away. As you guys can see, office supplies is no, not more. Now let's see what influence sales to decrease. It has to be office supplies. As you guys can see, we have correctly predicted that thing. Let's move to the second tab, which is top segments. So over here again we have two options where when it sells more likely to be low or high. Let's see first for a high thing. So the key influencer has automatically made two segments for us. Just click any one on it. Now the first segment, they have taken category as technology, which means they are only taking data for category technology, which is basically 19.1% of the data. And when they have taken data only for technology, they found out that the average sales has increased by 288.7 units. Originally, for whole data set, the average sales was only 293.8. But when they took data only for technology, the average sales become 582.6, which is basically 288.7 units higher than the overall average. And in the second segment, they basically they have written is category is not office supplies and category is not technology, which means they are only taking data of furniture. In this case, the average sales increase only by 225.2 units. So that was it for the high values. Let's see when it sells more likely to be low. Over here, they have given only one segment and it has to be when categories office supplies. So overall average sales is 293.8 basically for overall data. But when we took only office supplies data, the average sales has reduced to 158.8, which is basically 135 units lower than the average overall average. So basically, in this way, one can make use of key influencer in their report to make their report slightly smarter than the other reports. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.